This is really such an incredible honor, and as a little girl, I never in a million years thought I'd be allowed to make a film, as we say in Ireland. This really does belong to the women, past, present, and future, that have taught me and continue to teach me how to do it differently. Rose, Emma, Chase, where am I? Wunmi, Tiana, who am I? Help me, who have I missed? Kate! There you are! Renata! You are all just radical, and you're doing it for the naughty girls, and I'm in awe of all your incredible performances. Thank you. I love what I do. I love cinema. I believe in storytelling to bring us together as a community. I believe in women's voices to tell those stories. Chloe Zhao, you are making history tonight as a storyteller. Thank you for your uncompromising artistry. And Maggie O'Farrell, thank you for this gift of a role. You brought the mother out of the shadows and you stood her in absolution beside the giant that is Shakespeare. Thank you. And to my family, who always remind me how much I love being home. And I'd like to share this with my daughter, who's been with me since she was 6 weeks old on the road with this. It's the best role of my life, being your mom. And I promise to continue to be disobedient so that you can belong to a world in all your mad, complex wildness as a young woman. I am very grateful for this. Thank you so much.